Hello everyone, let's see if my software can detect how many trees are in this image. And by the way, this is an mango orchard and these trees are mango trees. And we actually got two thieves here. Look at them. I didn't notice it before, but there are two people who are stealing the mangoes, I guess. So we accidentally caught the thieves. Let's get back to the topic. So can my software detect the trees or count the trees in it? Let's see. When I ran my software at first, it detected some of the trees, but not all. And I am actually using the green color threshold to find the trees and mark them and count them also. And I didn't expect it to find the trees which even are completely visible, but the script did good thing, but not good enough. So I make some tweaks and ran it again, and this time the output was actually like input. Nothing happened and the script failed. So I made some changes again and ran it one more time. Now it's looking promising and it have detected some trees, and I think it also finds a tree which we cannot even see from our eyes. So my software have gone on spiritual level on this for this time, and it is seeing the things which a normal human cannot even see. I didn't want a spiritual software, so I ran it again after making some changes, and this time I get very good results. But I don't know why it leaves this tree. There must be some reason. I think it's same green as other trees, but I don't know why my software leave that, but it's okay. And this time the result is better than the rest. So I'm stopping my research and my work here, and the script also counted the number of trees. So if you are seeing the number of trees counted, then I wrote those because I forgot to take the snapshot of the script. But believe me, my software can count. So thank you so much for watching, and subscribe for more amazing cool videos.